welcome to the Needle Sharp Sewing Channel. My name is Mary and this is my vlog. It's been over a year since I posted anything on this channel, but I made a resolution or a determination. It's not quite a New Year's resolution, but I decided that I want to start posting on a more regular basis than I was doing. So I'm going to be posting every Monday on this vlog with some sewing tips, with some unboxing videos, and just kind of an explanation of who I am and what my company is. So if you don't already know, Needle Sharp is an online store that specializes in subscription sewing kits, and we also sell fabric and independent sewing patterns. The idea behind the store is that when you're starting out or when you're coming back to sewing, it's a lot of time and energy to put together everything so you can do your sewing project. You have to go to the fabric store, you have to get the buttons, the zippers, the thread, the fabric, the interfacing, and sometimes, depending on where you live, this can be multiple orders online or lots of trips to different sewing stores around your area. We've decided to streamline that and put it all in one box with the sewing pattern, the fabric, and all the notions you need to make that project. We also think it will help with people who are struggling with how to pair fabric with patterns, because we've hand selected these fabrics to work perfectly with your pattern so that you'll be more guaranteed to have great results. Now, at the beginning of January, I introduced some standalone kits in addition to our subscription sewing kits. And this cycle, we're doing jeans making kits and blouse making kits. And so the next two videos that I'm posting today, because to start things off, I'm going to do two videos at once, are unboxing of the jeans making and the blouse making kits. So you can check them out on the other videos on this channel, and hopefully you like them. And I guess I'll see you next Monday. Have a great week.